Now recently, I've been getting these cars that are black on black on, black on black on, black on black. And this is a, TRD Sport. They definitely paid for that stitching. Now, see that huge screen right there? I'm gonna turn this on because I wanna close this. Come on, puppy. Enough with the puppies, I know. See that? Come on. There you go. I'm gonna take that out. Now it looks almost impossible, right? It's so clean and sleek. But I'm gonna show you how easy it actually is. So behind cover number 1, which sits right here in behind the screen on a weird sort of angle. See how it goes on like a 45 on both sides? Alright, you wanna pull straight up with, I use this, but I also have this, but it's broken. Well, this one you can use anything plastic, you can use this little guy. But my main one, I decided to break on both sides. So go in my link in the description and buy more. You see how I broke them? There you go. But it has nothing to do with nothing. These 4 are what are behind trapdoor number 1. You see? I already took them out. Those 2 and these 2. And then, ready for this? You just pull. And fingerprints and sweat marks are definitely free. Look at this big, huge, disgusting radio. Ooh, that's the part number. Ooh. So how many clips does it take to get a radio out? I don't know. But I doubt there's power back here. Maybe. I'll look it up. But that's a good place to hide a GPS. See that? It's a real good place. But anyway, so there you have it. Let's put this guy back. And all the clips are just line up and push him back in. So there you have it. Like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.